Good night, because I have got to get a... Wait a minute. Why isn't it ending? Ugh! Oh, it's like a never-ending video here. Never-ending video. Alright, I gotta go. Okay. Okay, now that he's gone, let's talk about did anybody enjoy the Grammys on yesterday? On something? I was really interested just Timberlake was there. Yeah. But he could do a better job than that. Justin.
What you want from me? Nothing, Justin. I'm just saying, I don't care what you're saying. Just watch the high voice. Sorry, wow, that was really, sorry, I'm just trying to do my job here, 'cause it doesn't matter who you are at the Grammys. No one matters to me though. Wow! You are good. Thank you. Thank you very, 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 very much, Justin. You're welcome. Did John Tesh come by? Yes. And let me tell you, he was annoying. Oh, do you Taco Bell? Taco Bell? Taco what? Yes, I bought another one. Goodie! I'm sorry. I'm speaking like your voice. I'm a marker. You know? Markers! Yeah, that's really good, Justin. I really like that and appreciate that. I know you do. Huh? 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 Yeah. 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 Yes. 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 That's it. I want everybody out. Because this radio station is finally close. I don't get it. I thought that I said it was over, then John Tesh said it was over. No, I'm gonna say that it's over! No you're not. We're just gonna really end this. Okay, I'm getting really tired of this stuff. And, hey, it's me, the fake anchor. Me, Jeff Hush, and me, Justin Timberlake. Just get out of here. Why? Why? Because it's almost ending. We gotta hurry, only about 10 seconds left. Oh, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Good night.